What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is my new truck camper. I just got it off Facebook Marketplace. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so here she is. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time. Ever since a couple years ago, maybe like 5 years ago now, I was spending a lot of time down Ocean City, and on Assateague Island you can drive on the beach and camp overnight. And I saw a lot of guys using these truck campers to drive on the beach and camp on the beach, and I thought it was really cool. So ever since then I wanted one. Today I finally bought one. So I got a really good deal on this thing. Bought it off a really cool guy on Facebook Marketplace, but I got it for 650 bucks, which to me is a really good deal. It's actually in better shape than I thought. Now it needs a lot of work, but still it's in really good shape for an old camper. It's an 8-foot bed, or it fits an 8-foot bed pretty much perfectly. You can see it sticks out a little bit. I took my tailgate off just because the jacks weren't quite going up high enough the way we had it, so took my tailgate off for now. Needs a little bit of work back here. I'm gonna redo some stuff. I'm gonna redo a lot of stuff really, but got this ladder, still works. Roof's in pretty good shape. I'm probably gonna take this coat off and put a new coat, some type of tar coating on the roof. But you just open this door, go inside. It's in pretty good shape on the inside. You could definitely just use it as is, but I'm planning on doing like a full restoration, redoing pretty much everything. Right now it has this stove, a little like toaster oven, sink, some drawers, storage up here. There's a little closet right here. That's a fridge. Not sure what works, what doesn't. This is set up like this. Little couch, and then this platform can go there and be an extra bed. And then up here is the main bed. You can see it looks like it got wet there at some point, so I think I'm going to tear most of this out on the inside, redo pretty much all of the interior. I'm going to rearrange the structure of this too. The main thing I want to do, main things I'm going to change in here, or I'm going to make this window bigger. So I'm going to eventually get a different truck, and then I want to have a sliding rear window on my truck, and then I'm going to make this window bigger, and that way I'll be able to go back and forth in between my truck and the camper without having to use the rear door. And then all this, I'm going to change all this, so I'm going to make it more like the one design. So I'm going to have this kind of turned over to here. You'll be able to sit there, and then have the table there. And then I'm going to redo this back here, and my main goal is to try to make a little bathroom back here somehow. So I might even do it like on this side, because over here there's a nice little thing, nice little compartment on the outside that you can access this. So I kind of want to keep that. So then maybe this whole side over here is going to be like my kitchen area, and then maybe I can make a little bathroom back here. I think I have a good plan on how to make that work, and what I really want to do is have a shower somehow. A little bathroom and a shower. If I can make a wet bath, that'd be really cool. Or I can just do an outside shower. That's not ideal. I would rather have one in here. So if I can just make a little corner wet bath, that'd be really cool. I have to replace some wood anyway on the floor. So like this side, underneath here, and then underneath here, this wood's gonna all get replaced. And then I actually want to raise it up another 2 inches, just so it's not sitting on my bedsides. Got some plans, got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna go around the whole outside, make sure it's all sealed, All the screws are good. I'm probably gonna recaulk the whole thing and then make this inside really nice. Maybe even put a fresh coat of, clean it and put a fresh coat of paint on too. Okay, what's this? Gravity tank. Okay, that's new. I didn't know. I'm gonna figure out how to do all this. I'm new to all this. Really glad this flips up like this though. So I'm gonna remove this right here, that part. Might remove this. This will give me a lot more room. Kind of need this here though. A copper line here. But what I really want to do is just cut a. I want a couple access points on each side so I can, you know, use the tie down points on my truck bed in the corners. Got a lot to do. It's going to be a fun project. There you go. Now you have a bed. Pretty cool, guys. I like it. I think it's a really good deal for 650 bucks. Here's the jacks it came with. I'm gonna put it back there, move my stuff around, and then I'll take this off my truck. All right, guys, got it all off. I got carried away there. Forgot to turn the camera on. But yeah, here she is. I got lots to do. I think I'm gonna replace these windows. Gotta figure out if I still want to keep this for propane or not. Figure that out. I think I do, because I want a propane shower and I think I could put it right in there. We'll see. Gotta replace some wood up under here. Got lots to do. Really excited about this little truck camper. Got big plans for it. Got plans to take it all over the place, so I'm going to do a pretty good job restoring it, make it really nice, try to think everything through, and then I'm going to use it a lot. Probably work on it a lot this summer, and then I'll be able to use it hopefully in the fall and winter this coming year. Really happy I found this deal. I was actually starting to lose hope. There's so many idiots on Facebook Marketplace, it's unbelievable. There's a couple guys that I messaged and tried to buy their camper, and they just wouldn't budge on the price. And they're asking like, you know, $2-3 grand for these things, and they need the same amount of work as this one needs, you know, a good bit of work, and they think they're gonna get 3 grand for them. But there's been a couple ones on there for sale for a year, if not over a year. And yeah, the guys just wouldn't budge. So messaged a bunch of different people. Some people just don't even message you back. It's so hard buying things from people. So I'm really happy I found this deal. Dude was really cool, messaged me back. He actually held the camper for me for a couple days. So really cool guy. I was actually starting to consider just building one all from scratch and just, you know, doing it all. But now I got some good bones to work with. I'm really happy. So if you want to see me restore this camper, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the future videos. There's going to be probably a lot of videos of me working on this thing. I got this and some concrete videos coming up, so make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you drop a big thumbs up down below. Really appreciate it, and it helps the video reach a wider audience. So thanks, guys. So that's going to be all. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.